Hello everyone, welcome back to SNS Study Station. So here today we are going to see the topic which is one of the technique of project management. So project management has two techniques. One is CPM and the other one is PERT. So PERT we are going to see today, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. CPM you have already seen. In CPM, how we can construct the network, how we can find out the critical path, everything you have seen. Okay, and PERT also more or less same only. The only difference here is in CPM you will have only one activity, one duration. Okay, in CPM the activity timings are deterministic in nature, but in PERT here you can see three columns. For time only we have three columns. So there is optimistic time, okay, that is represented by TO. There is most likely time, that is represented by TM, and there is pessimistic time, that is represented by TP. So three types of time will be given in PERT. That is only the difference. Rest all things will remain same. So here first we are going to create project network. Like we used to create CPM network, in the same way we will be creating here project network today. Okay, same rules. Here there will not be any change. Here there will be same rules, because for project network we require two information, that is activity and predecessor. Other than that we don't need anything. This time and all we can write it later, but for creating the network, for network purpose we don't need the duration. Only for finding the critical path we need the duration. Okay, that I will let you know how to do it in the later video, in the next video. So this time we need, for creating the project network, we need activity and predecessor. So whether it is CPM network or project network, things will remain same. So we will start. So what is the first thing? First we have to check the activities. So you see A, B and C. For these three activities no immediate predecessor. So we can start these three activities from the first node. A, B, C activities, no immediate predecessor. So I'm making it here like this: A, B and C. Like this I am creating it. Okay, so this will become second node, third node and fourth node. So as these three are starting from the first node, from the single node, so these three cannot end at the same node, and if they are ending also at the same node, at a single node, that means we have to create dummy activity. Okay, so we'll check that. So A, B, C, you can see A is the immediate predecessor, but that is independent. B is independent, immediate predecessor. C is also predecessor. All three are predecessors for some other activities, but they are independent. They are not ending with any other activity. So it is fine. We don't need to create any dummy activity for these things. Now, D activity, ABC is done. So for D activity, immediate predecessor is A. And we have to check whether D is coming anywhere. So D is coming here as a predecessor, independent. Fine. So D we have to start with A. So here I am starting D activity with A, and this will become the fifth node. This will become the fifth node. Fine. Now, next thing, E activity we have to start with B. E should start with B, and E is here. You can see E and F are coming together. So where E will end, F will also end. E we have to start with B. Okay, fine. So E I'll start here with B, and this will become the sixth node. So E is done. So now, so where and all these activities are ending together, that we have to, where and all predecessors there are more than one predecessor together, that we have to check carefully. Rest all things we can create, that is fine. So F should start from C, and G also should start from C. F and G should start from C, and F and G we have to check. So F is coming with E and G is coming with H. Okay, fine. So F start from C and end with E. F should start from C. F should start from fourth note and end with E, right? So this will become the F activity. I hope it is clear. F starting node, for F the predecessor is C. Okay, so F we have started from fourth note, and F should end with E. So F we have ended here at the sixth note. So that is the direction for F. Now H should, okay, G also, G we have left. G should start from C, and G is not the predecessor. No, G also is the predecessor here. G should start from H. Okay, so G we have to start with H. G we have to start with C and end with H. So G, I am making it here like this, and it should end with H. So this I am making which note? Seventh note. So this will become the seventh note. Now H we have to start from E and F, and H should end with G. H starting from E and F means from sixth note, and end with G means end at seventh note. So this will become the H activity. Okay, now I and J are not predecessors anywhere, so I and J will be the ending, will end at the same note, ending note. So I is starting from D and J is starting from HG. I is starting from fifth note, okay, and J is starting from HG. So J is starting from seventh note. This will be the J. So this last node will become eighth note. So like this we have to create this project network that is same as CPM only, as like we are creating CPM network, so that will remain same. Only in the project network here we cannot write the duration directly, because three types of duration are given here: optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic time. These three types of times are given, so that we cannot write here directly. For that we'll see in the next video. Thank you.